Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about the best gifts. So first, I want you to go to student book page 118, exercise B. Please take the quiz over here by choosing the option that is more appropriate for you. If you choose letter C, please write down your answer. For example, in number 1, when someone gives me a gift, I usually open it immediately, open it later when I'm alone, or other, I chose open it later when I'm alone. What about you? Please pause the video while you take the quiz. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's go to page 119, exercise A. Please rewrite the second sentence so that it means the same as the first one. Pause the video, please. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Number 1. When someone gives me a present, I open it. 2. I give money or gift cards to my friends all the time. Lastly, if someone made a gift for me, I would love it. Did you have the same? Excellent. Now, I want you to please think about these questions. Remember to think about this before class. For example, would you buy your neighbor a gift? In my case, I would only buy my neighbor a gift if they were new neighbors, and I would probably just buy a couple of cookies or a cake. What about you? Okay, now let's continue analyzing the questions. Please identify the verb, the receiver, and the object in each of the questions. Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, so in the first one, would you buy your neighbor a gift? Your verb should be buy. The receiver would be the neighbor, and a gift is going to be the object. When would you give somebody a gift card? Our verb is give, the receiver is somebody, and the gift card is the object. When would you buy flowers for someone? Buy is the verb, our receiver in this case is going to be someone, and the object, flowers. Great. So, if you notice, these verbs, buy and give, in these specific questions have two objects. Let's take a look at this. So, after some verbs, sometimes we're going to use two objects. Basically, we're going to mention what the object is and who is receiving this object. Some examples are bring, buy, give, lend, make, offer, and send. Let's take a look at the first sentence. I never give my friends money. If you notice here, my friends are the people who receive, or in this case don't receive, the direct object, that is the money. This pattern is way more common when we're speaking. However, there is a different option. I never give money to my friends. If you notice here, first we're mentioning the direct object, what I am giving, and the prepositional phrase has a preposition, to or for usually, and then the receiver of this object. Let's take a look at number 2. She lent someone her book. Or she lent her book to someone. A friend sent my mother a gift. A friend sent a gift to my mother. I bought his mother something. I bought something for his mother. Now, please notice that if you have the direct object as it or them, you have to use the second option, where you first mention the direct object and then a prepositional phrase. Be careful when you're using to or for. They could change the meaning. We're going to discuss that during our class, okay? Now, let's go ahead and practice a little. Go to your workbook, page 84, exercise A. Here, we need to unscramble the sentences in order to complete the conversations. Number 1. You know what I just realized? I never gave you a birthday present. Yes, you did. Don't you remember? In the mail. A gift card, me, you, sent. In this case, of course, we're going to start with the subject you, and then our verb. You sent. me a gift card. Very good. In this case, because we don't have a preposition, we should say first who receives the object and then the direct object, the gift card. Now pause the video while you work on the other conversations, 2 and 3, please. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Number 2. Can I offer you something to drink? Yes, please. Could you make some tea for us? If you notice, because here I am using the preposition for, we are using us at the end. 3. What did your brother get for his birthday? Did your aunt make a sweater for him again? No, she didn't make him one this year. Great. Now, let's work on conversations 4, 5, and 6. Pause the video, please. Okay, great. Number 4. Would you lend me your blue jacket? Sure, no problem. Actually, I don't wear it much. I'll give it to you if you like. 5. Who sent you these flowers? They smell wonderful. My girlfriend sent them to me, out of the blue. Isn't it your parents' anniversary today? Did you get them a gift? Yes, it's today. I bought them one last weekend. Did you have the same? Great. Now, let's practice. Let's go to student book page 119, exercise B. Here you need to write the questions using the alternate pattern. Now, if it is not possible, please write an X. For example, would you ever buy a gift for your neighbor? In this case, we rewrote as, would you ever buy your neighbor a gift? Pause the video while you work on this. Okay, guys, we're going to share during our class. I will see you then. Goodbye.